Louisiana Delta System is located in which country? Answer: USA. Pithampur, where Asia's longest high-speed test track, NATRAX, has been inaugurated, is located in which state? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. The Communist Party of which country has celebrated its 100th foundation year recently? Answer: China. Which organization released the report titled COVID-19 and Tourism? Answer: UNCTAD. Which country equality minister approved the bill allowing the gender self-identification? Answer: Spain. Which ministry recently launched UDISE for 2019-2020? Answer: Ministry of Education. Bagram Air Base, which was recently in news, is located in which country? Answer: Afghanistan. India's Manana Patel is associated with which sport? Answer: Swimming. India's MP Jabir plays which sport? Answer: Athletes. The Rampal power station that was making up news recently was located in which country? Answer: Bangladesh. The Project Bold bamboo oasis on a land in drought was recently launched from which state in India recently? Answer: Rajasthan. Nipun Bharat mission is released to? Answers: School education. Uch river, which was recently making news, is a tributary of which of these rivers? Answer: Ravi. Which music icon who was recently in news is the best-selling teenage artist of all time? Answer: Britney Spears. Which India state is called the Falcon capital of the world? Answer: Nagaland. Which country announced the Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code? Answer: India. In which state India's first Central Drug Laboratory (CDL) was established? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Which Indian bank launched Salam Dil Se initiative? Answer: HDFC Bank. Which agency organization built India's first indigenous drone defense dome? Indrajal. Answer: Greeny Robotics. Which state recently became the fifth Indian state and 125 global state to join the Under 2 coalition? Answer: Maharashtra. Which institution gave its approval to implement satellite TV classrooms in India? Answer: ISRO. Which country's investment agency won the world's most innovative investment promotion agency 2021 by OCO Global? Answer: India. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon.